Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given this nice question, which is square root of a, this is a, over 2a equals to 10, and here we're supposed to find the value of a. So here we have to say solution, and then after here we have to copy what we have. We have square root of a over 2a equal to 10. And of course at this stage here we want to remove this root we have right here so that we shall square both sides. You have to say square root of a over 2a, and then you square both sides, then here equals to 10 squared. And of course I shall say square root of a squared over 2a squared equal to 100. And of course at this stage we have to say a over 4a squared equal to 100. And of course here, what should we do? We shall make cross multiplications to say a equal to 100 times 4a squared. Now here at this stage we have a which equals to 400a squared. By rearranging we shall say 400a squared equals to a. By grouping right terms we have 400a squared minus a equals to 0, and of course here I shall factorize out a to get 400. A minus 1 equals to 0, and of course here a equals to 0, or 400a minus 1 equals to 0, and of course here 400a equals to 1, and of course a only will be 1 over 400. And these are two values of a. Now here you have to check if the answer is correct, so we have to copy. We have square root of here a over 2a equal to 10, and of course here we have to plug in, start from 0, square root of 0 over 0 because 2 over 2 over 2 times 0 equals to 0 equals to 10, and of course square root of 0 have 0 over 0, which is equals to indeterminate form and should not equals to 10, right? So that this 0 should be rejected, and then what should we do here? We have to verify on here square root of a is square root of 1 over 400, right? Then which equals to over 2 times a, which is 1 over 400, and it should be equals to 10. What should we do? Here we shall say we have square root of 1 is equals to 1 over 20. Then by factorize, this one should be factorized out to get this one and this to get 1, and here I have 200, right? Then shall say multiplication of 200 over 1 because you have division, which should be equals to 10, and you shall here simplify 200 over 20 so that you have 10, which equals to 10. So this is our solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.